In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to clear all cache and junk from Windows 11 computer. The first step, right click on Start menu, click on Run, type Prefetch, click on OK, click on Continue. You will find all junk file in Prefetch. Select all, press Shift Delete, click on Yes, close File Explorer. Second step, again right click on Start menu, click on Run, try Temp, click on OK, click on Continue, select all, press Shift Delete, click on Yes, close File Explorer. Again right click on Start menu, click on Run and type %temp, again %, click on OK. Temporary files has been opened. Select all, again Shift Delete, click on Yes, close File Explorer. Go for the last step, right click on Start menu, click on Run, type clean mgr, click on OK. Select all items here and click on OK. Click on Delete Files, cleaning up C drive. Hope this processes clean all cache and junk file from your Windows 11 computer.